welcome back to With a Side of Meat. Chili today, also my wife's birthday, so we're doing a special dinner. She asked for rouladen. Never made rouladen, we're gonna try it. What's the worst that happens? It sucks. But before that, I caught so much flack from some of you guys for not making a cocktail the last time. We're gonna make a cocktail. She found a recipe online, so we're gonna make it. Oh shit, that's stuck. Okay, first off, we're gonna toss in some bitters. Gonna make a double, so we'll get those in there. Strawberry, brown sugar, simple syrup. Since it's Valentine's Day coming up this weekend, guys, we thought this might be pretty good to try. A couple of those. Calumet bourbon. Pretty good stuff, obviously. Do you guys like the ambiance? It's keeping my ass warm right now because it's freaking cold. And Nikki, since it's so cold, we need something to keep us warm. Well, when in Rome, right? Oh shit. My ice is frozen to the glass. There it is. Right, let's give it a stir. I had the stuff sitting out here so it would chill. Obviously it did, and since it's her birthday, she gets the good shit. Alright. Let's give her a pour. I'm not going to smoke it because I don't know how smoked strawberries would be. Okay, one for me, one for you. I'll set it here so you want it right now?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, let's give this a shot. It's not too terrible. That is not too bad. I would drink this again. Not too sweet with the strawberries and the brown sugar. That's good. So you guys that complained that I didn't do a video, kiss my ass. Here's your video. All right, on to the rouladen. That is a German dish, and I got some, what the hell did I get? It's beef, and I sliced it, but we're gonna pound it out. We're gonna get it thin. Then you wrap a slice of bacon and a pickle. Sounds weird. I've had it before. It's pretty good. But that's what we're going to attempt today. We're going to pound this out with a meat hammer, which oddly enough would be a good nickname for, obviously not me, but pound this. Take this stuff off here so it's not making so much noise. I don't think you guys on TV want to hear that. Okay, I think that'll probably work. We can get that rolled. That'll roll. That will roll. Yep, that'll roll. So I'm gonna pound these out and we'll come back to you guys in just a few minutes. Meat hammer, meat pounder, whatever you guys wanna call it. Tenderizer, hammer. Did its job. We got it pounded thin. So now we're going to throw some mustard on here. Not a lot, just enough, which I don't know what is enough and what is too much, but we're gonna do this much. What do you think, birthday girl? Enough or more?
No, I think that's good.
All right, and we're gonna use some seasoned salt and, of course, meat church. Okay, so now the odd part here. I don't want to contaminate the jar. Is a dill pickle. So we take the slice, we're going to set it right in there. Then you need some bacon. So let's take this bacon, we'll cut it in half. I think that'd be good. So I think what we'll do is we'll take the pickle, lay that on top. We're going to roll this puppy. Okay, so now that we've got that, and yes, I know I'm not wearing a glove, but it's for me. Stick that in there to hold it. So we'll do the rest of these. I'll put some seasoning on the outside. I'll be back in just a minute, guys. All right, we got them rolled, skewered. Threw another log on the fire because I'm freezing my ass off. So I've got a cast iron pan heating up in here, and we're going to use a little bit of beef tallow. This is from the Wagyu brisket. Okay, let's see how that does. Let's season these. Boom, boom, boom. The other side. Get these kind of browned up, and we'll pull them out. And then I'll do the mushrooms and onions. And then we'll start making the gravy. I don't know if I have a big enough pan. And then get one more in there. We got one left, and we'll just have to fry that one up later. Give these a little bit of time. Warm up the fingers because they are cold. Alright. You guys have any ideas or anything on cocktails, what we can make? Gotta stay warm. Any ideas? What to cook, what to drink, open for suggestions. Trying to stay out of the norm, like not a brisket every week. A, that's expensive. B, it's not my favorite cut. I like trying different things. This weekend we made the chicken shawarmas. We didn't do a video, but we celebrated her birthday and we did the shawarmas and they were good. They went over well. So we're gonna put a little brown on these. Then I'll do the mushrooms and onions. And then they gotta simmer a little bit with, made some homemade beef stock. And we'll be back shortly. All right, we got a brown on these. We're gonna get them off, put them on the plate here, and cook up the veggies. See, a little brown on there. I came back and trimmed off the skewers, so I put them all in there. I'll cover this with some foil. I think there's enough liquid in there. We're going to do the mushrooms and onions, put these down for a few minutes. Just until they start to soften, then I'll pour some flour on there, cook the flour out of it, and we'll start our broth in here, and we'll simmer these for a little while. So be back in a couple minutes. We've cooked these down. Mushrooms are getting soft. Onions are soft. Okay, I'm gonna throw in a little bit of flour just so that it's gonna freeze. Just a little bit. I don't want it to thicken too much yet. As you can see from the last video, I put in a heat deflector, put in the grates. I want to be able to control the temperature better. I don't want it to just burn. So this will help. If it starts getting too hot here over this flame, I can just slide it over onto this side. Of course, as I did that, I burnt the literal shit out of my hand grabbing the pan with the glove on. Yeah, it didn't help. Carrots. I love carrots. Put these down in here a little bit. So you guys can see how the flames are getting hot, so I'm gonna move this. But we're gonna double glove because that thing is hot. We're just gonna kick it right up there. That's all we gotta do. Then when I shut the lid, it won't be so hot because I can dampen it. Okay, so homemade chicken stock or chicken beef. Yeah, cooking freaking chicken. Okay, a little bit more. It'll evaporate. We'll keep it here just in case. Okay, so now we'll put the rouladen back in. Fun part's going to be seeing if we can fit the lid on. I think we will. Okay, put the lid on here. Oh yeah, it goes on nice. Okay, so this is gonna boil over. We're gonna let that go for roughly an hour. We'll see. We'll come check it in an hour. In the snowstorm that we're having, I don't know if you guys are picking that up on the camera. The dogs are having fun. That's why we got the fire going, because it's freaking. I don't even know how cold it is. It's under 20, I think. We're supposed to be getting about 20, half an inch to an inch an hour up through tomorrow morning, so this should be fun.
Come on.
Come here. Dogs love running across the road. They're not quite right. Okay, we'll be back in an hour, guys. Go stay warm. Okay, it's been a little over an hour. Been sitting outside chilling by the fire. Took the speaker out there. Made another cocktail. We switched to gin this time. Love it. Okay, Let's pull one of these bad boys out. See how it is. I think I want this one. I don't know why. I just want that one. Okay. Let's get some gravy on here. We got the mushrooms. We got the carrots. I love this shit. Of course, I say that and it could taste terrible. Doubtful, but it could. Let's pull this out because I don't want to floss and stuff while I'm eating. All right. Moment of truth, everyone. It's tender. Okay. Do you see that? Got a little cross section there. You got the pickle, you got the bacon. Bacon cooked. Holy hot. Wow, that's really good. That is really good. Wasn't sure how I was going to feel about it. I've had rouladen once before. Let's cut this in half here. Let's let the birthday girl try a piece here. Swooping in. Tell me what you think of that.
It's really good.
That is good, guys. Let's cover this all with gravy. Keep it moist. Yeah, it took a while to cook. It wasn't the easiest one we've ever done. Not going to be the hardest one we've ever done. Weather sucked, but it was fun. It was good. Let us know what we can cook next time. Remember, please like and subscribe. Need subscribers, need likes. Let us know what else to cook or make cocktails. Plus, let's everybody wish Karen a happy birthday. Happy birthday, babe.
Thanks, hon.
See you guys.